All right, so what we're doing is drifting with the current. Notice what I'm doing is I've got my line between my two fingers there. And so what I do is I lift up on my line, get it up off. And then sling it like that. Okay, with just one back haul, that's all it needs. Notice what I'm doing is I'm not making it go forward till my rod's in about this position. Okay, and then what I do is I pull on it, that causes the top of the rod to load, and then that flings it. Okay, and the whole idea, it's almost like you bring your hand back and then you push like this. Pretty easy, you can practice this in your backyard or anywhere. Again, I get the slack out of the line, lift it up off the water, flick it, boom. See, you don't have to even throw it very hard to get it to go a pretty long way. So there you go, that's a basic cast I use all the time when I'm drifting.